Oh.
Ala, patay na.
That's the kind of time we like. That's the kind of time we like. Slice it on the middle, slice it on the left, slice it on the right. Slice it on the middle, slice it on the left, slice it on the right. Show me how you have it.
So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. So I'll be singing, I'll be singing, I'll be singing in the rain. I got a song in my heart and I'm bulletproof. There's nothing in the world that's gonna kill this mood. No matter what life wants to throw my way, I'll be singing in the rain. Yeah.
Kahapon lang yun yan, no? Kanina umaga.
Alam mo, sobra kaming proud sa inyo talaga. Sobra. Yung mga batang bago pumasok ng bahay, medyo may pagkamahiyain. Si Maymay not so. Pero talagang nag-bloom kayong lahat sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Yan, sobrang confident niyo. Ang dami niyong na-inspire ng mga kapamilya. Kaya sobrang proud kami sa inyo.
Maraming salamat.
Don't change, okay? Huwag lalaki ang mga ulo.
Yes.
Stay as sweet as you are.
Sa mga naghintay kayo naman kay Kiss,